His opponent.
And his opponent,
Heavyweight champion,
Studley Hunglow.
I can't believe that I'm here today and having to wrestle this nobody. A nobody. A nobody.
Watch out, folks. There seems to be a little rumble going on the sides.
Well, I'll tell you what. I earned this right here belt. It's mine. I earned it. I worked up.
Uh-oh. They're really into it now. Oh, my God. He knocked him over his, whatever that is he's got on his shoulders. Oh, no. He's into the bush.
You get up there.
Now he's called a bushwhacker.
And I got news for these people out here that's trying to take this belt away from you. You, Danny Buchanan, I know. I want you now. Here. Now I want you up here now. Let's go. If you want this belt, get up there. Let's go. I'm tired of all this.
Okay, folks.
Let the king up first.
Studley Hunglow and Brett the Heartbreaker. And with a backflip, over he goes. Brett the Heartbreaker is now back into the ring. What has he got in his hands? Oh my God, it's a piece of brick. He's over his head. He's hit him again. Oh my God, how could he take it? He's down. He's out cold. He still continues to batter him with the brick. Brett the Heartbreaker is definitely a head breaker. Uh-oh. Now Studley's up. He's broke the brick over Brett's head. Now he's got a chair. Oh my God, no. Surely that's broke his back by now. Studley's up there. Uh-oh, he's not Studley no more. Uh-oh. And he slings him against the rope. And he comes, uh-oh, it's a, what's that called, Brett? I can't remember. What's that called? Oh, he's going to do a vertical suplex. Oh, my God. Oh, he's flipped him over onto his back. Looks pretty dangerous, folks. Uh-oh, Brett's staggering. Can he keep it up? Uh-oh, and a leg drop. Uh-oh, slapping him in the face. Uh-oh. Hey, uh-oh, Studley's up now. He's mad, too. What's his next move going to be, folks? What's his next move going to be? Uh-oh, a vertical suplex. Over he goes. Down on his back. Uh-oh. What has Studley pulled out from the ring? Oh my God, it's another brick. He's hit Brett over the head. Brett's having a fit. He's having shenanigans. Oh no. He's slapped him or hit him or kicked him or whatever, and he's down. Now Brett's doing a headbutt, foot butt, tail butt, butt. Uh-oh, there goes the Ric Flair sound. And it's the figure four. He's got him in a figure four. Is he giving up, folks? Uh-oh, it looks like Studley's going to give up on that. Uh-oh. Oh, he's got out of it. And he's up. Uh-oh. Brett's out of the ring. Hey, come here, let me interview you there, Brett. What's happening in the ring? Uh-oh, he's come out and got a chair. Oh, no! He tried to make friends with him and hit him over the head. Can you believe it, folks? The cruelty of Brett the Heartbreaker. Oh. What'd you say? Knocking the breath out of poor Studley. Oh, no. This whole situation smells like the the north side of a southbound mule. Ain't that right there, Brett? Uh-oh, and over he goes. I think Studley's about Dudley'd out here. And Brett just broke 4 of his fingers. But Brett seems to be still going strong. Studley's begging for him to lay off of him, but Brett's not going to do it. He grabs his wrist. He's getting ready to, what's he going to do, folks? Oh, he's going to clothesline him. He clotheslined him, and down he goes. Broken larynx and all. Woo! And the Nature Boy's sidekick up there is doing great. When will the pain ever end? When will the pain ever end? He jerked that arm out of joint. Uh-oh, a low hit, a high hit. Uh-oh, Studley's dazed. Studley's dazed, but he's gonna stay in there. He's headed after Brett. Down he goes. Oh, a leg drop right on the old head. Yeah, Brett's going into contusions here. Yeah, having a fit. Studley's still aiming to get him back there. It's a 2 count. Oh, he's off. Folks, this round will never end. Studley is doing great, but Brett's a little ahead of him. Uh-oh, and he's down on his back again. Brett's out of breath. Now he's covered at the 1, 2. Uh-oh. 2 counts and no 3. Just can't get it, folks. Studley's about had it. Hey, Studley, how you feeling there, boy?
I'll get you! You shut up! Oh!
Well, Brett got him back all right. Knocked the patook out of him.
Oh!
In he goes, backflip over his shoulder.
Got him!
Is Brett the winner?
Whoa! Heavyweight champion of the world!
What?
Oh no, he's gonna do my car!
Don't hit him with the belt! No! Don't hit him with the belt! Oh, he's an angry winner. Oh, hitting him with a chair again. Studley's about had it now. He's gushing blood from his nose and his ears and his head. And Brett's just screaming in his ears, poor guy. Brett, you're a heartbreaker for sure. Hadn't the man had enough punishment? Can't you stop? He sure knows how to deal out that punishment. Not another chair lick. Oh, God. Oh, no. He's going to have internal injuries for sure.
I want you people all to see this!
Oh, no. Studley Hunglow's really hung lower now. Oh, no. Oh, no. I think you all are about exhausted, guys. Oh, no. That's the stomach tumbler.